PromptAnim. You type a prompt and we render animated explanatory videos in under 2 minutes. We see two customer segments with the same broken experience. Students who want to learn something and creators trying to teach. When a student has a doubt today, their options are pretty bad. They either sit through a 40-minute YouTube video with sponsors and ads, or they get a wall of text from ChatGPT. Neither actually shows them how the concept works. Math, physics, code. These need to be drawn out, not explained in paragraphs. And for the creators trying to make those explainers, the only way is to learn Manim, Remotion or After Effects and burn 5 to 8 hours per minute of output. Less than 1% of teachers can pull that off. PromptAnim closes the gap. You type a sentence, we render a narrated animation in under 2 minutes. 7,000 users on our direct platform, plus 50,000 through one B2B integration. Same engine for both.